Hi there, I'm Jack with Sioux Dent Repair. Today we're going to be showing you a little bit different perspective, first person view. So you're going to actually be able to see through my eyes exactly what I'm seeing while I'm making these repairs. So this is going to be a really interesting footage for you to watch. I've got first and third person perspectives, so take a look at it.
Here's a good look at the damage in both of these doors. There was also a dent located quite a bit lower on the lower body line that the customer also wanted fixed. We start this repair process off by rolling the windows down in order to gain access to the doors. We then install a stainless steel window guard to protect the window. Once we put a tool down the door panel here, we're able to push on this dent. From here we take multiple very small pushes and slowly push the metal back out. We then remove the window guard. I'm now readjusting my light to go to a different dent. And now I repeat the same process again. Multiple small pushes to slowly push these small dents out. Now we're looking at the biggest dent in the entire collection here. This is a double style series tip tool that has a very blunt tip on it, as well as the pointy tip here. I'm actually going to go ahead and start this bigger dent off with the blunt style end tip of this tool. Here we are again, just repeating this process, multiple small pushes to slowly push this damage back out. It's a very repetitive process, but this is how we get dents out. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove this tool and use a slightly sharper tool. Here's just kind of a quick overview of all of the dents we fixed so far. And now we're actually working on that lower body line dent. Here we are doing some minor knockdown work with a VIP knockdown, actually is what it's called. We're alternating between this and a tool to go ahead and get this damage out. This spot actually had a minor scuff in it. We're going to go ahead and buff and remove the scuffs here. Back to some minor knockdown and pushing the damage out. And here we are, just finishing it up. We're going to go ahead and remove the window guard here and get the panel all cleaned off.
Well, here we are again, just finishing up the repair on this Ford F250. The damage came out really nice, so go ahead and kind of look through some of this footage here and take a look for yourself.
The customer was even nice enough to leave us an awesome review, as you can see here, on PDR Nation, which is a national paintless dent repair technician website. As you can see in all of this footage here that we showed you, all of the damage is completely gone, and as shown, the customer is very happy with the repair. If you've got similar damage in your vehicle that you'd like repaired, feel free to give us a call at 605-595-4061. We hope you enjoyed the new perspective here shown in this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.